through our Christian Life program. And beyond the Christian Life program, marami pa tayong mga transformation, no? We are all part of the Couples for Christ. We have our own CLPs. Walang naging Couples for Christ na hindi nag-Christian Life program, no? Kahit marami tayong absent, pinasang-awa kayo. Even if during the talk, out of the 12 talks, isa lang talaga ang napakinggan nyo kasi tinulugan nyo talaga yung mga speakers. But even so, okay lang because beyond the Christian Life program, may mga nourishment pa. No, may mga nourishment pa tayo. Ano yung mga nourishment natin? Through our households, no? Through our covenant orientation, through our MER, through our FCL, through our CTR. Napakahilig natin sa acronym, di ba? Yung mga acronym na yon. CE, maintindihan, LPG. No? So, naalala niyo ba yung mga sino mga hindi nakakaalam pa ng LPG? Isa lang ibig sabihin nun, either hindi nyo pa nakukunan o hindi kayo nakinig. Ano na yun, no? We have all the pastoral formation teachings beyond the CLP guaranteed to transform us, no? Guaranteed to transform us and to nurture us. Ang pinakamaganda sa Couples for Christ, we are among the family of believers, no? Yung nagtatapik sa atin sa balikat, kapag nagkakamali tayo, no? Kapatid, paalala lang, mukhang kailangan nating mahalin ang ating kabiyak, mahalin natin ang ating mga anak. Kapatid, mukhang dapat mahalin din natin ang trabahong ibinigay sa atin. These are people, brothers and sisters, who remind us kung tayo ay nakakalimot, no? Yun ang kagandahan ng member ka ng isang community ng mananampalataya, no? Family of believers. Nasa na tayo? Sabi natin, where are we? We have a mission. We go forward in Christ. We have a mission to build the church of the home, church of the poor. We do this through our evangelization. Where are we now? CFC in Italy is now in Como, is now in Parma, in Milan, in Rome, in Torino, in the Veneto region, Vicenza, Venice, Verona, and Treviso. And then we are planning after the conference to go out further sa iba't iba pang mga area, no? Binabanggit ang Florence, binabanggit ang Padua, ang Mantova, no? Lahat ng mga areas na existing ngayon will have to go out. No? Ang Roma will have to evangelize the surrounding areas. Vicenza will also do that. Milan will also is thinking of Milano 3, no? Torino will also have their own evangelization area, mission area. We will go out again, brothers and sisters, no? And this is very exciting, nakaka-excite, di ba? Excited na nga ako eh, di ba? Kayo hindi pa kayo na-excite, maki-excited din kayo. Pero nakapagod na ako natutoko pagkatapos hindi ko kayo nakikita nakatawa. This is very exciting news, brothers and sisters, that apart from the existing areas that we have right now, we are planning to go out. No? At sabi nga, shall we reach 1,000 by 2009? That's the challenge, no? Ang CFC Italy ba ay dadami, lalagpas ng 1,000 by the end of 2009? Yes or no? Yes! Alright. The twinfold mission of building churches, the church of the home and church of the poor, is nothing but our mission of love, no? Our mission to love. Yung pagtatayo natin ng Church of the Home at Church of the Poor, mga mission natin ng pagmamahal yun, no? In two forms. We build the Church of the Home. That's our mission to love because we love our families, no? We build the Church of the Poor. That's our mission to love because that's our love for the poor, no? Pagmamahal yun, mission ng pagmamahal. It's our mission to love. Kapag kapag hindi natin nakilala na yan ay ang mission, ang mga mission natin na yun ay mga mission ng pagmamahal, then we will be missing out. Na parang mangyayari lang, we will just be going for membership. We will just be going for number of homes, no? Let's go beyond, no? Let's go beyond the real meaning of our missions. The threefold mission of building the church, 2 churches, is anchored, is built on our mission to love. And bakit nga tayo magmamahal? Let's have our final word. No? The mission to love is anchored on the fact that God is love. Ang pagmamahal, ang mission natin ng pagmamahal ay nakasalalay sapagkat ang Panginoon ay pagmamahal. God is love. And let's read 1 John 4 verse 7. Dear friends, let us love one another because love comes from God. Love comes from God. Whoever loves is a child of God and knows God. Whoever does not love does not know God. Whoever does not love does not know God, for God is love. Okay? Ang ganda nun. Ulitin natin. Let us love one another because love comes from God. Whoever loves is a child of God and knows God. Whoever does not love does not know God, for God is love. Okay, brothers and sisters, we now have our mission to love. We have this inspiration. Now we can now go forward in Christ. Now, before we can go forward in Christ, let us further know kung anong hugis natin. Let us know what shape we are in, no? And to give our shape to further define us kung paano tayo talaga nakahugis, ano ang ating anyo sa Panginoon. Let us listen to the second talk, no? And to give the second talk is a brother who's been serving us in Europe, although galing pa siya sa Maynila, no? Sa Davao, hindi pala sa Manila. He comes from Davao, no? Sa Davao pa, no? And then he's been our one of our brothers na talagang makikita natin has been helping us with the Church of the Home and Church of the Poor and evangelization, na kahit ang layo-layo ng Europe from Davao ay nandito pa rin to help us. He is now serving as a country coordinator for Austria, and I would like to welcome you, Brother Joey Mempi.
Good morning, my brothers and sisters. I always like coming home to Italy because every time I'm here in Italy, I feel I am so handsome. Because I am in the company of handsome, beautiful, and cute CFC brothers and sisters. But I have one problem. When I came here and volunteered for the mission here in Italy, in Germany, where we also had our national conference for CFC Germany, Chris told me that when you go to Italy, your talks will be in Tagalog. What? No sleep. Nahihirapan na ko ng Tagalog. Dahil, like Robert Fabre, I was born and raised in LA. Hindi, biro lang yan.